In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to withdraw your commissions with Travel Saverz. First, log into your back office at forsuccessnow.com. From the main dashboard, you'll be able to see your commissions and your accumulated earnings. Before making your first withdrawal, you must complete the KYC verification. Simply go to the Documents section and upload a valid ID, such as your passport, national ID, or driver's license. Once your account has been verified, go to the Withdrawals section. There you'll find the breakdown of your commissions and the Request Withdrawal option. At the moment, withdrawals are available in USDT and USDC. Simply enter your wallet address, type the amount you want to withdraw, and make sure you've selected the correct network before confirming your request. Now click on Request Withdrawal. On the right side, you'll see your withdrawal history. In this example, an $85 withdrawal was requested on July 1st, 2026. The following day, July 2nd, the funds were already available in the wallet. And that's how simple it is to withdraw your earnings with Travel Saverz.